Taiwan, the global capital of the semiconductor industry. Taiwan is widely recognized as the global capital of the semiconductor industry, a title earned through decades of innovation and technological excellence. At the forefront of this success is TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the world's largest and most advanced chip manufacturer, controlling over 50% of the global market share. Taiwan's semiconductor industry is the backbone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones and laptops to artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT. TSMC's groundbreaking achievements, such as the development of 3-nm chip technology, highlight Taiwan's leadership in pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the semiconductor field. Collaborating with global tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Qualcomm, Taiwan has established itself as an indispensable player in the global supply chain, a hub of education and innovation. Taiwan is not only a leader in semiconductor production, but also a hub for education and research. Prestigious universities such as National Taiwan University, NTU, National Chiao Tung University, NCTU, and National Central University, NCU, offer top-tier English taught programs in semiconductor engineering and related fields. These programs are designed to equip students with cutting-edge knowledge and hands-on experience, often through internships and collaborations with leading companies. Why choose Taiwan? Choosing Taiwan as your destination for studying and working in semiconductor technology means gaining access to world-class education, cutting-edge facilities, and invaluable industry connections. Taiwan's supportive government policies for international students, combined with its rich cultural heritage and vibrant lifestyle, make it an ideal choice for aspiring engineers and tech enthusiasts. Be part of the revolution, choose Taiwan, and shape the future with semiconductors.